रायगड जिल्हा परिषद शाळा पाटणोली आपल्यासमोर सादर करत आहे एक नाविन्यपूर्ण उपक्रम रीडिंग टाइम स्टार्ट.
My school is very nice. It is clean and big. I go to school every day. I love my teacher. I study, read, write, and play with my friends. We sing songs and learn new things. I keep my school clean. I love my school. At ZP Patoli, Taluka Pen, District Raigad. My best friend is Deepak. He is kind